How to add admin to TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add admin to TikTok account. Now, there is no direct way to add admin to TikTok account, but there is a workaround to this. The first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your device. Now, you want to share your credentials such as username and password with the person you want to make your admin. Once that is done, you want to open up TikTok, tap on the profile icon, tap on these three lines. Now tap on settings and privacy option. Then from here tap on security and permissions. Now tap on two-step verification. Now you want to turn on the two-step verification. So you can select any two methods from here, then tap on the turn on option. Now you want to enter your email address here. Now a code will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and enter that here. Now it will take you to add to trusted device option. Here you want to tap on the add option. You also want to add the device of your admin over here. For that, tap on manage trusted devices. Then simply add in that device from here. Your admin can now log in and manage your account. Every time they do that, you will also be notified. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.